think snoring is pretty common problem. So does it really mean that whoever snores has a sleep apnea?
No, it's not a must that, because see, for anti-allergic, if you take a lot of antihistamines, then you will get, because you are not in your control, then you will snore a lot. If you drink a lot of alcohol, definitely you will snore, because your tummy also, because then you put on a lot of weight. Depression, fear, they don't like to go outside.
So it's a combination of any one of those.
Yeah, this is an outcome actually, because it cannot be in one cause.